Hello, I'm Justin Kuhn, owner and founder of EntryShield. EntryShield is a company that we have put together to try to protect our schools and our churches across the United States. The problem with the standard metal detector today is your wristwatch sets it off, a cell phone, a laptop. In today's society, everyone's got a cell phone, we all got laptops. This metal detector is looking for cylindrical shapes and items. It's not just looking for flat pieces of metal. So where it stands out is you can get a mass amount of people in the doorway without a bunch of false alarms. So the way the EntryShield system works is it snaps a photo and then it sends that photo to a mobile app. No one knows it goes off, it doesn't beep, it doesn't alert. Inside that mobile app, you get a notification. You get the person who set it off. You can zoom in on them, check them out. You can hit verified OK. You can hit responding and let the safety team know that you're going to check this person out. Or you can hit send backup, which it sends a text back out to the group and they know that they need help at that door. The one thing I like about the EntryShield system is how easy it is to change the sensitivity of it. In today's society, there's all kinds of threats. And in the schools, there's vaping pens and pocket knives. So some of the schools, what they will do is change the sensitivity. You can put the cards in. As easy as that, that's a different sensitivity setting. You hit the enter button, confirm, and you remove the card. Some schools I know have up to 4 or 5 of these cards and they work with it daily on changing the sensitivity settings of their machines.